To replace the socket on a lamp, unplug the lamp, remove the shade, the light bulb, and the harp. Many harps will have sleeves that hold them in place. You're going to lift up on the sleeves and then squeeze the harp to remove it. Squeeze the outer shell of the old socket and remove it. If it's difficult to remove, you can use a small slotted screwdriver to pry it free. Remove the insulating sleeve, then unscrew the screw terminals to remove the wires. Untie the underwriter's knot so you can remove the base. Turn the base counterclockwise to remove it. Some will have a set screw that you'll need to loosen first before you can turn it. Remove the base from the new socket so you can screw it down onto the lamp. Feed your wires through the base and then turn it clockwise to tighten it onto the lamp. This base has a set screw that I'll also tighten down. Now you're going to tie an underwriter's knot, and this will help prevent the wires from being pulled off the screw terminals if the power cord gets pulled or kicked. I'm going to pull the cord up a little bit so it's easier to see. You're going to take one wire and loop it down and behind the cord. You're going to take the other wire, loop it down in front of the cord, and now take the ends and pull them through the loops that you created. And you just want a loose knot. Now you can pull the lamp cord down so the knot is in the base. On the new socket, you're going to have a brass screw terminal and a silver screw terminal. You're going to connect the hot wire to the brass screw terminal and the neutral wire to the silver screw terminal. On lamp wire, you're going to have one wire with smooth insulation. The other wire is going to have ribbed insulation. The wire with smooth insulation is your hot wire. The wire with the ribbed insulation is your neutral wire. You can also use a multimeter to confirm which is hot and which is neutral. On a polarized plug, the narrow blade is hot, the wide blade is neutral. Twist the stranded wires together and create a loop, and you want to wrap this loop clockwise around the screw terminal. As you tighten the screw, it'll tighten it down. If you wrap it counterclockwise, it could potentially push it off. I'm going to connect the hot wire to the brass screw terminal and the neutral wire to the silver screw terminal. Make sure the insulating sleeve is in the outer shell. Place it over the socket. Line up where you want your turn knob and then push it down into the base to lock it in place. Now you can plug in the lamp and test the socket.